Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope all of you are fine at home. Okay, and again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School, and already we have started new chapter and two topic we have done. So today we are going to start new topic, addition on number line. This topic we have done in chapter 4 also. Okay, so same topic we will do in this chapter also. So first of all of you open your notebooks and books fast and open page number 75 in your book. Page number 75. This topic is given on page number 75. Take new page in your notebook and write today's date. What is the date today? Write here today's date. Date is 28/12/2020. So write today's date 28/12/2020. Okay. Now write the heading of today's topic. Right? Adding on the number line. ADD on the top of your notebook. ADDING, adding on the on THE, the adding ADDING, adding on the number line. NUMBER, number line. Adding on the number line. Write the heading fast. Adding on the number line. Take out your scale also, pencil, because on number line we have to draw a number line. So you will use scale to draw the number line. Now copy the first question. Write A. What is the question given? 26 plus 5. 26 plus 5. Okay. Number line, make number line. The questions that we have done in chapter number 4 depend on number line. Number line कहाँ से start किया था? In that question we make a number line from 0. But in this question we will not make the number line from 0. Okay. 26 plus 5. So we will write the numbers on the number line that contain 26, that have 26 on that number line. So we will start writing number from 25. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 and 33. I have written number line till 33. First make the number line fast. Make the number line and write numbers from 25 to 33 on that number line. Fast. Now see what is the first number here? 26. That means we are on number 26. Here number is 26. That means we are at number 26. जो number पहले दिया है that means हम उस number पर हैं. Now what is the next number? 5. And in addition we move forward on number line. Okay. So we will move forward one step. But how many steps we have to move? 5 steps. So jump 5 steps. Take one step. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. कहाँ पहुँच गए? 31. So 26 plus 5 is 31. Right here 31. Copy fast from the board. Copy fast. Okay, now the second question. Second question. I hope all of you are writing in your notebooks. सब अपनी notebooks में लिख रहे हैं. And copy correct from the board. Now see what is the second question given. B. 56 plus 7. 56 plus 7. So draw a number line. Draw a number line and write numbers from 55. Okay? Draw a number line and write numbers from 55. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 60, 61, 62, 63 and 64. Okay. Now write the numbers on the number line. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63 and 64. First you also draw the number line fast. And use a scale to draw the line. Okay. Now what is the equation? 56 plus 7. 56 plus 7. That we are on which number? We are on number 56. Now how many steps we have to move? 7 steps. We have to move 7 steps forward. So count 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We reach at number 63. We reach at number 63. So the answer of 56 plus 7 is 63. So write here 63. 63. Write fast. I hope all of you have understood how we are adding the numbers on number line. Okay, first draw a line and write the numbers. Identify what is the first number here, 56. That means we write numbers from 55. Okay. Copy correct from the board. Make your number line clear, and there should be sufficient space between two numbers. Okay. Now the next question. See, you won't draw this line. Okay. Now next question. See. 76 plus 4. What is the next question? 76 plus 4. 76 plus 4. Plus 4. Draw a number line. Draw a number line. And write numbers from 75. Okay. Draw number line and write numbers from 75. So draw the number line. (75), (76), (77), (78), 79, 80, 81 and 82. Okay. So write numbers 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81 and 82. Okay. Now see, we are adding 76 plus 4. So we are on which number? We are on number 76. We are on number 76. How many steps we have to move forward? We have to move forward 4 steps. So move 4 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. At which number we stop? We stop at number 80. So answer of 76 plus 4 is 80. Right here 80, 80. 80, 80. Okay. So in this way we add numbers using number line. Copy these 2 questions first. Copy these 2 questions first. Now next question, D. Write D. And what is the question there? 44 plus 6. 44 plus 6. 43, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 and 51. Okay. First you draw the number line fast. Fast draw the number line. What is the question? 44 plus 6. That means we are on which number? We are on number 44. And how many steps we have to move? We have to move 6 steps forward. So start counting 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At which number we stop? We stop at number 50. So answer of 44 plus 6 is 50. Write fast, copy fast from the board. Copy fast. Now the last question that is given in your book. I hope all of you have written. Write fast. Write fast. Now the last question is 82 plus 5. 82 plus 5. Okay. Now again draw the 82 plus 3. 82 plus 3. 82 plus 3. So draw the number line. start writing number from 81, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 and 86, 87, 88. Now, what is the question? 82 plus 3. That means we are on which number? 82. So, we are on number 82. Now, we have to move one step forward. How many steps we have to move? 3 steps. So, move 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. We reach at number 85. So, write here 85, 85. 85, 85. Copy fast. Copy fast. Copy fast. Now I will give you one question. Try to solve that question. This question is not given in your book, so this is extra question. So try to solve this question. F. Right? 52 plus 8. 52 plus 8. 52 plus 8. Try to solve this question yourself. Try to solve. Check your answer. Check your answer. Number line. Right from 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 and 61. Now we are on which number? We are on number 52. 52. So move 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We stop at number 60. So answer of 52 plus 8 will be 60. I hope all of you have done done it very correctly. Now I am going to give you some homework question. Okay. Now I am going to give you homework questions. Now so write homework. Homework. Till F we have done. So after F write G, H, I and G. 4 question I am going to give you. Write 33 plus 5. 33 plus 5. 66 plus 8. 66 plus 8. 81 plus 5. 81 plus 5. And last will be 93 plus 5. So these are homework questions which you have to do using a number line. In the same way that we have done just now, you have to do these 4 questions also. 33 plus 5. 66 plus 8, 81 plus 5 and 93 plus 5. So these are some homework questions. So for today this is sufficient. Now we will do the next topic, that is subtraction on number line, in our next topic. So till then, have a nice day. Goodbye students.